Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to speak about case number 3 of transformation. Okay, so in our previous video, we spoke about two cases. The first case was when our y-intercept was 0, and then our case number 2 was when our x-intercept was 0. Okay, and also I gave you one question for homework that we are going to discuss first. Okay, we'll start with that. Okay, so the question was it was y equal to fx, and that is minus of, I guess, x minus 4, right? So I can write here y equals negative of x minus 4. Now see here my y-intercept is 0. Okay, so on comparing with the equation of transformation, okay, if we are going to compare this equation with the given equation with the equation of transformation, what will we get? So we'll get h equals, we'll get h equals 4, and k equals 0, right? So we'll get x-intercept and we'll get y-intercept. Okay, so x-intercept is 4, y-intercept is 0. Okay, so now what I will do is I will write both of them in the form of ordered pair of numbers. So I will write both of them as 4, 0. Okay, and this 4, 0 is going to be the vertex. Why? Because we use transformations when vertex is not formed at the center, or it is shifted towards some units on your horizontal x-axis, and it may shift, or you can see the shift maybe upside on the y-axis, or downside of the y-axis, okay, from origin. So the vertex is going to be formed at 4, 0. Okay, so let's plot the sketch. Let's sketch the graph. Okay, so here, okay, positive 2, positive 4, positive 6, positive 8, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8. Okay, positive 10, positive 12. Here, negative 10, negative 12. Here, same, 2 plus 2, positive 4, positive 6, positive 8, positive 10, and positive 12. Here, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, negative 8, negative 10, and negative 12. Okay, now one thing is clear, because outside this modulus function I have negative sign, so whenever it happens, it means whatever curve I'm going to get, it is going to open downward. Okay, why? Because the sign of a is negative. Okay, or we have negative just outside the absolute value function x minus 4. Okay, now the center is shifted to 4, 0. Okay, so where is 4, 0? So this is 4, 0. Okay, this is 4, 0. This is 4, 0. Now what we have to do now, we have to sketch the graph. So how are we going to sketch the graph? By getting different values of x and y, right? So here x, here y, okay? So because my vertex is here at 4 0, so it means my x-intercept is 4. So I'm going to take uh, some positive values from the right of +4 and some values from the left of +4, right? So if I take +6, so what would happen? This is y equals negative x minus 4, okay? So if it is +6, 6 minus 4 is going to be 2 and -2, okay? Then check it for +8, 8 plus 8 here, 8 minus 4, 4, it's going to be -4. Here, +10, so do it for 10, -6, -6. Now we can take some values from the left of +4, right? So you can put here +2. If you put here +2, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is negative of -2, which is going to be -2, -2, okay? For 0, it's going to be 0 minus 4, 4, it's going to be -4, -4. See here, if you will do it for -2, so here it's going to be -2 minus 4 -6, and outside modulus minus, so it's going to be -6, -6. Now let's sketch the points. X plus 6, y minus 2, this one. 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4, this point. 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6, this point. Okay, so it's going to be, okay, and on the other side, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, this one. Then 0 minus 4, 0 minus 4, this one. Then -2 minus 6, this one. Okay, so this is going to be the graph. Okay, now see here. Now we got two lines that made vertex at 4 0. Okay, so we need to know the equations of these lines too, right? So here y equals negative of x minus 4. So here the value will be minus of x minus 4 if x is greater than 4, equal to 4, right? And here it will be x minus 4 if x is less than 4. It's very simple. If you remember, for parent function, we have defined y equals mod x, and it will be x if x is greater than equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. Okay, so same here, because it has negative sign, so it will change. Okay, so if x is greater than equal to 4, so this is going to be negative x minus 4, y equals, and this is going to be y equal x plus x minus 4. Okay, so and when both these lines meet and make vertex at 4 0, then it's going to be the graph of y equals modulus function, negative modulus function of x minus 4. Okay, I hope it is clear, right? All right. Okay, so now let's go to case number 3. So you can check your answers from here if you did the right thing. Okay, but if it is not, if it was not right, then you can point out the mistakes and you can make it correct. All right, so now let's discuss case number 3. Okay, case number 3, case 3 when we have x intercept and y intercept. Okay, before we were saying, okay, x intercept 0, we have only y intercept, or y intercept 0, we have only x intercept. Here we are going to take both the intercepts. Okay, so let's take some question. Okay, let's take some question. Okay, question is, we have to make graph for x minus 3 plus 4. Okay, now what I will do, okay, on this is the question, I have to sketch the graph of modulus function x minus 3 plus 4. Okay, so I will compare, first I will compare this with this. So on comparing, you can write here, on comparing, what will we get? H3 and K4, right? The value of H is 3 and the value of K is 4, means we have x intercept, H means x intercept 3, K means y intercept 4. And if I will write them in the form of ordered pair, then it's going to be, vertex is going to be at 3, 4, right? 3, 4. Okay, so let's sketch the graph. Let's sketch the graph. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, and here minus 10. Here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Okay, so here I didn't put plus because it means positive 2. Okay, now see here, our vertex is going to be formed at 3, 4. So it means this is 3, means x intercept 3 and y intercept 4. So this point is going to be somewhere here. Okay, here, this point. Okay, this point, this is 3, 4. All right, so what we will do, we will make the table. Okay, here x, here y. Okay, now we'll take some values right of plus 4 and then we will test for some values for left of plus 4. Okay, so I will check for plus 6. Okay, and the equation is y equals plus 4. Okay, if I put x 6, then here 6 minus 3, 3 plus 4, 7. If plus 8, y, 8 minus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, you can see here the slope is 1. It means, if see here, because from 6 I directly went to 8. Okay, so there is 7 in between. Okay, so as you take one step towards your right or left, then it means you have to take one step towards, you have to take one step up or down, because the rate of change of y is same as rate of change of y is same as x. Okay, then here plus 10, 7 plus 4, 11. Then check for plus 2, plus 2, 2 minus 3, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 0, 0, 7. Then minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, let's find the points. 6, 6 here, 7, this point. 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, this point, 11. Okay, this is, I can mention here, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now on this side, 2 plus 2, 5, 5, 2, 5, 5 here, this one, this point. Then 0, 7, then this point. Okay, this point. Then minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 9, this point. Okay, if you connect them, what will you get? This is going to be the final curve. Okay, now see here, it was y equals x minus 3 plus 4, right? So now we have to find the equations of these lines too, right? So can I say it will be x minus 3 plus 4 if x is greater than equal to 3, and minus x plus 3 plus 4 if x is less than 3. If you simplify it, it will be x plus 1, and this will be minus x plus 7, or 7 minus x. Okay, so it means greater than equal to 3. Greater than equal to 3, it will be x plus 1, y equals x plus 1, and this one, because x is less than 3, so this line will have the equation y equals 7 minus x. I hope it is clear. So this is going to be the answer, and it is the graph of y equal absolute value function of x minus 3 plus 4. Okay, so I hope you got it. All right, so we'll take one more question. Okay, we'll take one more question. So I'm going to erase few things, not all, because I can make use of this xy plane. I don't want to draw it again and again. Okay, so let's save some time. All right, and here. All right, this one. And here we are going to change the equation. This time we will take negative y equals negative, and here we will take x plus 7 minus 5. Okay, so I just picked the random numbers. Okay, sorry. So now see here, we have x-intercept, we have y-intercept. Okay, this negative indicates that your graph will open downwards. Okay, so if we compare this with the standard equation of transformation, we'll get our, see here, this x plus 7, we can write it as x minus negative of 7. Okay, so h will be minus 7 and k will be minus 5. Okay, and when we are going to write them in the form of ordered pair of number, it will be x-intercept, y-intercept, minus 7, minus 7, minus 5. Okay, so it means my vertex, what does it mean? It means my vertex is going to be at minus 7, minus 5. This is minus 7 and this is minus 5. Minus 5. So minus 7, minus 5. Yes, here. Okay, here, this point. Minus 7, minus 7, minus 5. Okay, now let's get some values. The question was, the function is negative x plus 7 minus 5. Okay, so if now see here, the x-intercept is minus 7, minus 7. Okay, sorry, minus 7. So this is minus 5. Oh, it's going to be here minus 7 and minus 5. Yes, here. Yes, this one. This is minus 7, minus 5. Okay, this is minus 7, minus 5. Now I will take some values left of minus 7 and some values right of minus 7. Okay, so if I take minus 6 here, minus 6, if x is minus 6, then minus 6 plus 7, negative, minus 6 plus 7 modulus 1, that is 1, and negative here, right? Minus 5, which is minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, now do it for minus 4. Minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 is 3. Okay, so modulus function of 3 is 3, negative 3, 8. 8 minus 8. Then minus 2 here. Minus 2 plus 7, it will be 5. Minus 5 minus 5, minus 10. Minus 10. Okay, now take some values left of this minus 7. So we can check for minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8 plus 7, minus 1, modulus 1, minus 1, minus 5, minus 6, minus 6. Let's check it for minus 10, minus 10, minus 10 plus 7, minus 3, modulus function 3, minus 3, minus 5, minus 8. Okay, then here Here you can go with minus 12. Minus 12 plus 7, it is minus 5, modulus 5, then minus 10. Minus 10. Okay, so now plot the graph. Minus 6. Okay, see here, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, minus 6, somewhere here, right? Minus 4, minus 8, minus 4, minus 8, somewhere here. Okay, minus 2, minus 10, minus 2, minus 10, somewhere here. Okay, and this side, minus 8, minus 6, minus 8, minus 6 is going to be here. Yes, here. Minus 10, minus 8, minus 10, minus 8. It's going to be here. And minus 12, minus 10, it's going to be here. Okay, now if you connect all the points, your graph will be like this. Okay, it will meet, see here, it will meet your y-axis at some point, right? Now it won't, it will. For minus 12, minus 12. Minus 12 we did, minus 14 now. Minus 14 for 0, for 0, 0, yes, for 0 it will meet at minus 12. Okay, here minus 12, it's going to meet y-axis at 0, minus 12. Okay, so this is going to be the graph. Now we have to find the equation of these two lines. Okay, so here my function was my negative x plus 7 minus 5. Okay, now see here what would happen. So the value would be, it would be minus x plus 7, okay, minus 5 if x is greater than equal to negative 7, and it will be x plus 7 minus 5 if x is less than 7. Why? Because negative of x plus 7, then negative cancelled out, right? So if I simplify it, it will be 2 minus 7, it will be minus of x, x plus 12. Okay, and it will be x plus, it will be x plus 2. Am I right? X plus 7 minus 5, yes, this one will be minus x minus 7 minus 5. Yes, so this is going to be y equals negative x plus 12, and this is going to be y equals x plus 2, and this overall is going to be the graph of y equals negative absolute value function of x plus 7 minus 5. So I hope it is clear. Okay, so see here, with this, our case number 3, it has finished. Okay, it's done. So case number 1, y-intercept 0. Case number 2, x-intercept 0. Case 3, we have both x-intercept and y-intercept. So actually what we are doing here, we are just shifting the vertex. Okay, we are just shifting the vertex in the xy plane. Okay, so now you can do any number of questions on it. Okay, so I hope you got it. Okay, so if you have any query, you can just write down in the comments, and in next video uh, I will teach you how to add two absolute value functions. Okay, so next video is going to be very, very important. So till then, have a great time. Bye bye.